Hello viewers, this video is about how I made $210 from returning buyer with very easy web scraping job. So let's go to the tutorial. At first I will go to my Fiverr account. It's my Fiverr account. Here's my Fiverr dashboard and it's my Fiverr message option. Already I have opened my client conversation messaging section. His was my returning buyer. He gave me the instruction to scrape data from this link. I have already opened this link and his instruction was search criteria London and distance national 2085 results near London. Okay, now I will go to this. I will enter postcode. I will enter London instead of postcode, and I will select distance national and click on the search button. Now you have to wait for few seconds to show the results. You are clearly seeing that there are more than 216 pages and every page contains more 10 data. Per page contains 10 data and I have to collect the okay, now I will open my Excel sheet. As I have done this job, I have to collect the company name, company address, telephone number, website URL, email address, location, services provided. So that means my first company was ITG booking. Just I will put my cursor here and click on it, and then I will just press and hold my keyboard shift button and click on this. Then all of the text will be copied, and I will just click press on the Ctrl C button, or I can use my mouse right button and click on the copy option, and just I will paste this company name to this row. Okay, and then I have to collect the company address. Company address is here. I will just collect the company address in the same way. I will just click on here and hold the shift button and click on here, and all of the text will be copied, and press on my keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, and just in Excel sheet I will press Ctrl+V, which is keyboard shortcut, and at the same time I will copy the phone number. Phone number is here. I will just copy this phone number and will paste in my client Excel sheet. And website URL, I will just right click here and click on the copy link address, and I will just copy in the website URL section, paste it here. And email address, just I will copy. I will just right click on it, and a new pop-up window. I will click on the copy email address, and the email address will be copied, and I will just paste it on the email address column. And location, as client already told me that I have to search for the London, so the location will be London. Location will all of the location will be same. That means all of the locations will be London. Okay, now I have to put I have to click I have to scrape the services provided. Okay, services provided, that means software or skill. Before starting the project, I asked my buyer what type of service I have to include in the Excel sheet. Do I need to submit copy these software or skill, as software skills are services? I asked him, and my buyer was pleased, and he confirmed me that I have to scrape this software skill which are the services, and I will just click here and press and hold the shift button and just click here. All of the texts will be copied, and click on the mouse right click button, and I can choose the copy, or I can choose the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+C. All of the text will be copied, and in the services provided column I will just paste it on the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, or I can use this manual Microsoft Excel option. Just click on the paste. All of the text will be pasted in this column. So I think this job was very easy, and anyone can do this job. You are clearly seeing that my job was $210, 3 revisions, and only 7 days delivery. My job deadline was 7 days. I have to complete this job within 7 days, and I have successfully completed my buyer jobs. I will show you the orders. Click on the completed orders, which is custom order. I have completed this order on September 2022. Order completed, you earned $168. You know that Fiverr takes 20% charge from freelancers, so 20% of $210 is $168. So I earned $168. So this job was very easy, and most of the time I couldn't find the website URL many of the companies, so in that case I didn't put this row or column blank. I just type not available, and also copy this text remaining in the column where website was not available. If available, I just took the website, and also in some cases I couldn't find email or phone number or address. This is an example. I couldn't find this company address, so I just type not available. Website URL was not available, so I typed not available, but email address was available, and client said that I have to search whole London, so the location will be the same, first to last London, and services provided, that means software skills, the services section. So I think this job was very easy, and it's a very easy web scraping job, and I earned $168 within 1 week. So I completed this job in September, and now this month is November. So if you like this video, please hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.